Show you how to clear out all of your cache and junk files on your Windows. So there are a few methods that you can do this. So I'm going to show you a few methods. First of all, the first method is by clearing your Prefetch folder. So simply click on Windows and R. This will open up your run dialog right here. And what you're going to type here is Prefetch. Prefetch, Prefetch. So this will open up this junk folder where all of your cache files are stored. What you can do is select any file and click on Ctrl A to select all of these files, and simply click on Shift and Delete. Shift and Delete deletes all of these permanently, so this won't go to your recycle bin, and just hit on OK or Enter. Now, as you can see, the folder is empty. If you cannot access your Prefetch file, we have also made a video on how to access your folder, so make sure to watch that as well. Now, the second method is cleaning your temp folder, so just click on Windows and R again, and then search for temp. Now, this will open up another cache and junk folder, so you can clear all of these out. Just click on any file and select all of it by pressing Ctrl+A, and you can either delete it simply, that stays on the recycle bin, or you can Shift Delete to delete them permanently. And some of few files are in current use, so you can skip them, and this way you can clear all of your temp files as well. Another method is you just open your run dialog again and then type in %temp%. So this will open up another junk folder, so all of these junk files right here. You do the same thing, click here, select all, Ctrl A, and then Shift Delete. Just enter, and this may take a while because there are a lot of files. And as before, some of these files are in current use, so you do this for all current items and then you can skip it. And this way you can clear out all of these unnecessary junk files on your computer. And the final way is by clicking on the run dialog. You open your run dialog and then search for cleanmgr, short for clean manager. Just hit OK. And by default, the program files or the cache files that stays in is your C drive, so just select it and click on OK. Now this will open up this new dialog box, and here you can see there are many options to choose from. Make sure to click on all of these items to clear out, and then just hit on OK. And this will clear out all of the junk and cache files from your PC. It may take a while, but once you are done, all of your junk files from your PC should be deleted. And that's how you can easily clear out all of your caches and junk files on Windows. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.